Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to wrap text around an image on Google Docs. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To wrap text around an image on Google Doc, go to Google Docs and open your document. I have opened a document and take an image. I want to wrap text around this image. Just right click on image and click on image options. Click on wrap text here. Look, the text are wrapped around the image right now. This is the easiest way to wrap text around the image on Google Docs. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.